Previously on Props and Wheels.
Let's turn this way this time. Whoa, whoa, whoa! I don't know.
I crashed. This WL Toys V912, pretty bad outdoors. I'm going to put myself in the doghouse. I'm downgrading myself from large outdoor second or third helicopters to toy helicopters. Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels and to another episode of Budget RC. And during this episode I'll be reviewing this two-channel helicopter which is called Black Spider XT Tactical Wireless Helicopter. Wow, the title is really intriguing. I'm still punishing myself after crashing that nice 4-channel WL Toys V912 helicopter outdoors. The punishment is reviewing a couple 2-channel helicopters before moving to 3-channel and then 4-channel helicopters. I got this for $10 through Facebook Marketplace. It may be a good deal if it's a good flyer. It came with a lot of dust on it and I could tell that it has been sitting in an attic or basement for a while. And also I found some spider webs inside, so I'm assuming that it was sitting for a while. And the carrying case is nice, it's made from plastic, and the helicopter is held by this nice plastic mechanism. You open, so everything will be safe and not sloshing around. And you just basically take this out, and here's the helicopter itself. It's hard to believe it is 2 channels because it looks big, especially compared to this Blaze Elite that I reviewed recently. I'll put the link over here. This is also a 2-channel helicopter which I got brand new for $5 from Five Below. But I mean, look at the size difference of the helicopters as well as the controllers. So this is definitely a step up. And also this, while this feels very plasticky, I mean, this helicopter has all parts plastic except the shafts, rotor shafts, and the motors. Everything is plastic. This has a tail boom that is metal as well as all the frame is metal. So quite a bit metal on this one, and it feels significantly heavier than this little one. And if it flies well, it may be definitely worth $10. And here we have the instruction manual. The English is good. This helicopter is distributed by Midwest Trading Group in Illinois. So apparently this was built to spec and this was probably written with a native English speaker. And this has there's a little sticker which says CVS. So this was purchased from CVS for $19.99. So I got it at half price. And everything looks unused and new. We even have the spare parts, which is one each of the A and B rotor blades, so half set, and as well as this fake windmilling tail rotor blade on the back. There's a very low chance of breaking that, but if you do, there's another one over here. So everything looks good for now. Let's open up the back of this transmitter. And it takes 4 AA batteries. Just very simple 2 controls. The stick on the right is to control the yaw or rotation of the helicopter right and left. And the stick on the left is for the throttle. So on the bottom there's no throttle and on top is 100% throttle. There is no altitude control, so you have to modulate the throttle to keep the helicopter flying at a level altitude. And then there is a power button at the center. And now it's blinking. Let me turn it off. And then there are fake buttons. These are not buttons on top as well as on the left, but these 2 should be the trim buttons for that yaw, for the rotation. So if it is slightly going left, you give a couple clicks right. If it is going right, you give a couple clicks left. And there is no separate charger. So this comes with the charger on the bottom over here. There's a little compartment. So you'll be charging using those 4 AA batteries inside. And let's connect it and see if it's going to charge right away. Yeah, so you don't have to turn on the transmitter. The red light is on, and right now the helicopter battery is charging. I'm hoping that the battery inside is not dead. I don't know how old this is. So if the battery is dead, then it may not be able to fly as long as the user manual suggests, which is 5 to 6 minutes. If there's any issue with the battery, I have some batteries that I can replace. It is a 220 milliamp hour, one cell, 3.7 volt battery. Let's quickly weight these two helicopters and compare their weights. So first this $5 one from Five Below, it's about 27 grams. And now is the Black Spider XT. This should be significantly higher, yes, 63 grams, quite a bit. So far everything looks good. Let's finish charging the battery and then we'll do our first indoor flight. Alright, it's first flight. So I'm going to first turn on the helicopter on this bottom. The battery is fully charged, and then turn on the transmitter, long press. It's blinking, so you just need to bind it up. It's blinking fast, down. And the binding is complete. Okay, let's go. So it needs to be trimmed a little bit. It's rotating right like crazy. Let's trim it a little bit without hitting it. But it seems to be, other than that, once trimmed, it should be stable. Now it is, I trimmed it too much, I think. Turning left now. Alright, feels like it keeps losing the trim. Let's come this way and bring it close to this camera over here. So it is either turning right or left. It's just difficult for it to fly forward somehow, and this is something that I have seen in many two-channel helicopters. If they are not moving forward quickly, they tend to either start turning right, spinning right, or left. So you have to be, giving a little bit of control to keep them flying straight. Just making small corrections. But trimming doesn't help. You trim one way and then it starts rotating the other way. The light is blinking. I'm not sure if the battery is a weak battery and then it's saying that, hey, I am weak, I need a new battery. Or it is just blinking all the time. I'm not sure. But I'm going to keep flying until the battery gets low. Either it's going to fall out of the sky or it's going to land itself slowly. Let's keep coming down. I'm hoping the second one. So let's try to fly closer to the other camera. Let's see if we can get like a... too close, too close. But other than that, it's not bad. Because I wish it would fly straight, and it would have made it like perfect. But this is not bad either, because then I keep training my right thumb, which is the not correct thumb for yaw control. Because in 4-channel helicopters, in mode 2 transmitters, the yaw belongs to the left stick. So it's on the right stick. So in a 4-channel helicopter, what I'm doing right now with the right stick will not rotate or yaw the helicopter, it will bank the helicopter left and right. Let's go in front of the camera quickly. It is not bad at all for a $10 helicopter. I wish it was a little more stable, not just like jumping from right to left. If I let go, it's going to just keep going in a circle. Kind of goes like that, yeah, it just keeps falling into that. So, and let me do it right, and it's going to keep turning right, or it's going to eventually turn left. Okay, I think it's needs a little bit more trimming maybe. One click to the right, still turning left. One more click to the right, still turning left. And it's as I change the, okay, let's move away from that wall. It's too close for comfort. And now it's turning right. Now it's starting to turn left again. So another click to the right trim. Yeah, it's still better now. And it has been already a couple minutes, so I think the battery is fine. Because if the battery was old and weak, it should have landed by itself probably minutes ago. Alright, here we go. A close up. Okay, it didn't want to turn the way I was pushing, so I cut the throttle. So let's take off again. So give yourself a good space if you end up buying this helicopter, because it is bigger than the other, $5 helicopters from Five Below, and it is heavier, significantly heavier, more than twice the weight of those little ones, plasticky ones. And this can do some damage to your TV. Oh, don't go over there. Okay, let's land it. It wasn't turning left. From time to time, I'm not sure if it's losing connection to the controller or... Yeah, like I'm giving full left, it's not turning at all. Is it because the battery is low? I'm not sure, because it's taking off okay. So full right, full left, nothing is happening. Okay, I have full throttle, so it's the battery. It is the battery. That was the reason it wasn't turning probably. The differential rotation of the upper and lower, between the upper and lower rotor blade was not enough to start turning it, because they were already spinning as fast as they could, and then to keep the helicopter up in the air. But hey, it wasn't bad. I think it was around 4 minutes. I will give you the time over here. I will just look at the video and calculate and give the exact time in flight over here. For $10 is worth it. So if you find it for $10, buy it. If you're into two-channel helicopters, well, if you're already experienced, don't buy it. Or if you have more money, more budget to buy something decent, like $50, buy a proper 4-channel helicopter. There are even 4-channel coaxial helicopters with side fans, and I will give you a link over here, the best one, LC02 Thunder, that I love, because on that one, the control is on the proper side. The yaw, the rotation is on the left, and the banking is on the right. Here, the yaw is on the right. So this will train your right thumb wrong, and you will have to retrain it. But if your budget is low, $10, get one of these. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell. Hope to see you on the next video. Stay safe and healthy. Take care. Bye-bye.